Hello! Welcome to Abby Online Teach. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a phonics lesson and I'm going to be teaching a digraph. So a digraph means there are two letters and when you see them right next to each other, they make one sound. So the letters today are O and U, or you might know them as O and A. So when you see these two letters sitting right next to each other, they make the sound ow. Are you ready to practice? My turn, your turn. Ow! Ow! Ow, ow! Brilliant! Can you think of any words with the ow sound in? Have a think. I've thought of one. What do we say when we're feeling really cross and somebody comes in our bedroom? We might say, get out. Let's practice the word out. 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 Your turn. Out. Out. Well done. The next word is something we use to talk, eat, and smile. We use our mouth. Ow, th. Mouth. Your turn. Ow, th. Mouth. Fantastic! Can you guess the next word? It's something we might do if we're feeling really angry or really excited. We might shout. Out. Shout. Out. Shout. Super! And when people shout, it can really hurt our ears because it can be very loud. Ooh, ow, d. Loud. Ooh, ow, d. Loud. Brilliant! The last word is something we might feel if we've done something amazing. If we win a race or if we get a certificate, we might feel very proud. 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 Well done! You have now learned the ow sound. Make sure you keep practicing this one and then you can go on to learn all of the other sounds. If you would like to continue practicing your phonics more at home, then feel free to check out my recommended products down below. You can also check out my website where I offer lots of support for phonics, English and maths. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!